There's Morel. Morel is number 5. 15 to 2. Tagalog ball baseline. Come on!
Hoy! Nakunan ko yun! Kuha ba? Kuha! Kanyang nanay na to.
Manasala pa rin.
Ayan pa!
Sa basket.
Galing! May extra baon!
Nakakani, 31-25, 20 seconds remaining time. 15 to 2, 15 seconds. Number 3, put back. Henry. Tagalog. Manantala. Basket.
Yun, basket.
Yung black jersey. Score 37-41 in favor of Team Jack. Here's Zulay. Pass to number 2. Intercepted by Rogelio. Ibinigay kay Tagalog. Pass to Rogelio. Intercepted by number 2. Ito na, Zulay from the left wing. Galing to the basket. 2 points. 43-27 na mga nanananin. Henry. Tagalog, back to Henry.
Tira matibay daw, manager.
Henry, fire. Put back.
Naku!
Manang-mana sa